Hi, I'm Bill Dellara, and I am the Chief Product Officer here at VOSS. Voice is strategic again, and this time it's intelligent. For years, digital channels have dominated customer experience innovation. Chat, social, apps, and self service portals attracted investment and attention, while voice was often treated as a necessary but aging channel, critical yet largely static. That dynamic is changing rapidly. Across our partner ecosystem, we are seeing a renewed strategic focus on voice, not as a legacy channel, but as an intelligent interface. Industry analysts and technology leaders are increasingly pointing to AI powered voice as becoming a way to improve how companies engage with customers. With AI becoming mainstream in businesses, voice calls aren't just conversations anymore. They can be analyzed, tracked, and even automated. Major platform vendors are starting to embed real-time conversational AI into CRM, CX, and collaboration environments. AI can now transcribe, interpret, summarize, route, analyze sentiment, trigger workflows, and even resolve queries autonomously, all within the context of a live voice interaction. The contact center is the first environment where this transformation is scaling reliably. It is where AI handles routine queries, agents are augmented with real-time prompts and summaries, where conversations feed analytics engines, and where voice data triggers downstream workflows in CRM and marketing systems. Customer engagement strategies are increasingly voice-led again, not because digital failed, but because AI has made voice measurable, automatable, and deeply data-rich. But there is a critical dependency that often gets overlooked. None of this works without high quality voice. You cannot build intelligent CX on poor voice foundations. If voice is becoming the backbone of AI driven engagement, then voice quality becomes a strategic asset. Poor call quality does not just frustrate customers and agents, it corrupts the data layer that AI depends on. Transcriptions degrade with jitter and packet loss, and sentiment models misinterpret distorted audio. Also, automation triggers misfire, and compliance monitoring becomes unreliable. As organizations push toward AI powered CX, they must ensure the underlying voice infrastructure, from SBCs to collaboration platforms to agent endpoints, delivers consistent, high quality performance. This is where operational discipline meets AI ambition. To capitalize on the resurgence of voice, enterprises need end to end visibility from the CX platform across the voice infrastructure and SBC layer into collaboration environments such as Teams, down to the agent's desktop and endpoint. This is where proactive monitoring comes in. It ensures consistent call quality for customers, clear, reliable audio for agents, early detection of degradation, faster root cause resolution, and trustworthy data for AI analytics and sentiment analysis. As AI reduces manual handling and organizations optimize workforce models, agility becomes critical. Agents must be onboarded, reconfigured, and scaled quickly, often across hybrid environments. This automated provisioning ensures that voice services are configured correctly the first time. Policies, routing, and compliance controls are consistently applied, and agent setups are standardized across regions and platforms, and that changes are executed without human middleware. In a consumption-driven CX economy where interactions, not seats, define value, operational friction directly impacts revenue efficiency. Automation removes that friction. We are also seeing pricing models evolve across the industry. As AI handles more interactions, seat-based pricing models are under pressure. Consumption-based and hybrid approaches are emerging, aligning cost to usage and automation levels. This shift places even greater importance on usage visibility, performance analytics, revenue assurance, and accurate service configuration. Organizations cannot optimize what they cannot see or control. The intelligence layer, orchestration, routing, analytics, compliance, becomes the differentiator. But that layer depends entirely on a stable, automated, observable voice foundation. At VOSS, we enable the next era of voice-driven CX. Our contact center and collaboration management solutions are built for exactly this moment. We help enterprises and service providers monitor voice performance across CX platforms and underlying infrastructure, We ensure high quality experiences for both customers and agents, and we automate provisioning and lifecycle management at scale. We also provide the operational visibility needed to support AI-driven analytics and help position CX environments to capitalize on intelligent voice innovation. As voice becomes a strategic data channel again, the winners will be those who treat voice operations as mission-critical infrastructure, not background plumbing. The resurgence of voice is not nostalgia, it is intelligence, automation, and orchestration converging in real time. And the organizations that invest in managing it properly will be the ones that turn every conversation into measurable business value. To discuss your voice monitoring strategy, please get in touch.